Today I'm going to be doing some photography of these amazing opals here supplied by Opals. They're a German company but also have a presence in Australia. Very simply, place the opal inside. We have our phone set up on the top of the box. We put our reflector on, and again we tap the focus. We change the brightness on a complete white background and capture. Now just like that, we have created a studio quality image of this opal, and you can see all the fires coming out of the side as well. So if we are to do our second photo, let's say this one with these beautiful red and green fires, we simply place that item right into the sensor. Again, the lid goes on, phone goes on top. What we're going to do, we tap the focus, zoom in a bit more for this one, button up or down, that looks about right, and capture. Now just like that, we have our second studio quality image, and we can see all the fires of the opal as well. Just like that.